Hey guys! Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a gorgeous birthday cake that'll steal the show at any party. First, let's talk cake layers. I always start with a good classic vanilla or chocolate sponge. Make sure your butter and eggs are at room temp, it makes all the difference. Once your batter's mixed, divide it evenly into your pans and tap them on the counter to pop those sneaky air bubbles. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then let those babies cool completely. Seriously, don't rush this part. Warm cake and frosting do not mix. Now, onto the fun part, decorating. I slap on a generous layer of buttercream between the layers. Don't be shy, this is a birthday after all. For a smooth finish, I use a bench scraper. Just spin the cake and let the scraper do the work. If you want to get fancy, pipe some colorful swirls or add sprinkles around the edges. Pro tip: pop the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes before your final round of decorations. It makes everything so much easier. Top it off with candles and your favorite cake topper, and boom! Birthday magic! Remember, the best cakes are made with love and maybe a little mess. Just have fun with it and don't stress about perfection. You got this. If you try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments. Happy baking!